All right, guys, welcome back. So now let's talk about the Sandbox. All right, now when you're in this courses page, if you don't see something called My Sandbox course, see this right here? I want you to go back to my courses, just like we just did. Go to reorder, and then look for that My Sandbox. See, I already have mine within visibility. Put this in your visibility range, okay? And then close this box out and go back to courses. You should see this My Sandbox course. All right, so you want to click on that. This right here is where you can completely build out your classes and then save them. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to build a class together. This is also where you can practice. You're not going to break anything, you know what I mean? But this is the Sandbox. Before we move on, I want to go here to edit picture, and I want to show you how to change this. Okay, I want to show you how to do this. So I'm going to get rid of this terrible little icon thing. No diss to Schoology on that, but it's terrible. All right, so I'm just gonna go to documents, and I'm gonna let's pick out a little logo that might, be a little eye-popping, catch the eye. How about that right there, my beautiful face in a cartoon mode. Now look, when you upload this picture, right, you don't have to hit done or ready or anything like that. Look, it will automatically drop it in there. So all I'm gonna do is close this box, boom. Now I have an icon, and now if I go back to courses, my Sandbox is going to be easier to find because I have a specific picture. I know it's on here twice. I'm not crazy like that. I'm just trying to show you, right? So look, all my stuff has pictures so that I can stay organized. Now I know that this is my picture from my Sandbox. When I click on it, boom, I'm right there. Anyway, go change your picture, and let's get ready to do some. Let's get ready to set up a class in the Sandbox. Go ahead and do that. Come back for another video. Thanks, guys.